Morning guys, today's the day. I'm going to be upgrading my PC. I'm upgrading to a 3080 and a 5900X, and I'm also upgrading, well not upgrading, I'm just swapping the AIO. The AIO I always wanted, it's just when I was buying my PC at the time and all the parts, I just ended up purchasing the NZXT X5 III, which is a really good AIO and I love it. I ended up wanting the EK one, which was actually out of stock. When I was building, I noticed that it was back in stock, but I really just didn't want to switch, and so yeah, but decided to swap to this new AIO. I'm gonna really like it. It has really good reviews, so, and I also like all black builds. Big reason why I'm doing it. I also have to dust my PC because I haven't done that in a little bit. It's been like a month and a half since I've done it. I've just been a little bit busy. I usually do it once a month. So gonna do that as well, clean out the dust filter. I'm not gonna show too much of me disassembling it just because I gotta clean some things and all that stuff. So let's hop into it. Okay, so this is my PC right now. It has the 3060 Ti in it still and everything. This is the whole thing. It's an awesome build. It is dusty, as you can clearly tell. So I gotta clean that out, and then I'm gonna take out all these fans. All these fans are gonna be replaced with the Arctic P2s, which I have had for a while. I just haven't actually put them in yet. This is the dust filter, which is pretty gross if you guys can't see that. We're gonna be replacing all of those fans, which is gonna be cool. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this X5 III. I think I'm just gonna end up selling it or something like that, but I gotta take out the 3060 or the 3060 Ti, the power supply. I gotta take out literally everything. build's complete. It's in my office. Office is a little bit messy, but I have the 3080 in there, fans top mounted, or the radiator top mounted, and then yeah, so what it looks like. It's not even put together. I still have to do like cable management, just clean up all this stuff, put the filters back on, plug in everything, but we're gonna turn it on for the first time, see how it works. So it's interesting not seeing RGB at all. It's like literally all black, and I know there's gonna be a little bit of RGB with this, but yeah, let's turn it on. Okay, the fans are on. Let's see if we get a post. It's going through everything right now. I know it's going to take a little bit because I put in the 5900X, so let's hopefully get a post. Still waiting. Oh, something? Heck yeah. Okay, so it works. Now I'm just gonna do the memory profiles really quick. It's been kind of a long day. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and Jackie should be home momentarily, but I got everything set up. The GPU is working, turned off the RGB because I don't care for that. Done. It's finally done. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go clean up and do a couple things, so I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.